Go home happy with the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, dual zone AC. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.